Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. With me, Dior Shaari. I had bought this a long time ago. Same with the other product from Bath and Body Works that I bought. This is the only time that I have rights to do this. Not rights. I mean, allowed to do this. So yeah, it's called this product is called Stained Glass Skull. Gentle foaming hand soap holder from Bath and Body Works. Let's look into some of the pictures and also details. This is from Bath and Body Works, Canada. Yeah. Right. Here it is. See. Okay. All right. And then overview. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's look into the product. Okay, so so there's a glitter also. This is called bag, purple bag, pumpkin, and it's gold. Okay. And okay, and inside. All right, so how does it work? It's just this thing. Put a hand soap inside, and it goes like this. All right, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.